Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. If you want to book a personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, ayan, search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. At ayan, meron akong Facebook guys, Facebook page. Paki-like na lang ako dyan, Madam P. Unipri. At kung hindi mo siya ma-search, kasi mahirap pa siyang i-search ngayon, i-search mo na lang hashtag Virgo Philippines or hashtag Libra Philippines. Walang space. Yan, makikita mo na yan. Meron tayong available na astrological reading, love or money. 1.5 yung price niya per reading. May kasama na siyang tarot reading. But if you want to avail both, meron siyang kasamang free palm readings. Start na natin, Libra. Sana makuha ko yung energy mo. Pag hindi, wag ipilit. Okay? What do we have here for the sign of Libra? You do have here the Five of Swords. Kunin ko na yung mga card na kailangan ko. The Tower, the Five of Swords, the Sun. And then ito yung person na kakonect mo. Love reading to. Love reading to, ha? Four of Cups, Four of Swords, and the Page of Wands. Okay, main energy mo with the Tower, the Sun, and the Five of Swords. Okay. I feel like you're being happy sa kung ano yung mga meron ka ngayon. So, nag-focus ka sa mga bagay na makakapagpasaya sa'yo. I can see na may mga bagay kang binabago sa sarili mo or sa situation mo ngayon. Pwede may mga bagay kang tinatapos or gustong tapusin or naiisipang tapusin. And maybe nagiging mas malinaw na sa'yo lahat ngayon. And I feel like with the Five of Swords, kung naman itong mga changes na gusto mong gawain, pwedeng sinisimulan mo na ngayon sa iyong sarili. And I feel like with the Tower, may mga bagay kang, yung iba, kung may tatapusin, yung iba may gustong buuin. But because the Tower here is showing to me as like bagay na gusto mong ayusin sa sarili mo, buuin sa sarili mo. And I feel like nakakita ka na pagkakataon ngayon or bagay ngayon sa situation mo na makakatulong para mabuo itong mga bagay na ito. With the Four of Cups, nakakita tayo dito ng person na nakakonect mo. Well, I don't know, maybe may mga offers sa paligid niya. I don't know kung ikaw ito na nagbibigay ng offer sa kanya, but there's an offer here na parang itong taong ito, hindi siya sigurado about this offer or hindi niya alam kung paano tatanggapin itong offer na ito, or pwedeng yun nga, hindi siya sigurado dito sa offer na ito. And with the Four of Swords, I feel like yung person mo is pwedeng na hindi siya masyadong nakikipag-communicate sa'yo or natatakot siya sa'yo, or pwedeng there's something na mag-e-end or matatapos sa kanya if ever na may kipag-connect siya sa'yo or like, Page of Wands. I don't know, the energy is that pag nag-message or nakipag-connect siya sa'yo, tumawag siya sa'yo, pwedeng sa ngayon hindi pwede kasi pag ginawa niya, there's this consequences. Okay? May consequences. Pwedeng, I don't know, it seems like pwedeng may magalit, pwedeng ganun, or with the King of Swords, pwedeng may kinalaman sa kanyang career, pwedeng hindi pwede sa career niya na basta-basta makipag-connect or communicate sa'yo, or sa situation niya mismo. So, pwedeng may magagalit pagka ginawa niyang makipag-connect or communicate sa'yo. So, nakita tayo ng boredom dito sa person na to. Emotions ninyo sa isa't isa. Queen of Cups, the Queen of Coins, and the Two of Swords. Clarify the Two of Swords. Ace of Wands. Emotion ng person na ito sa'yo. Okay. The Emperor, the Five of Cups, and the Eight of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ace of Coins. So, I feel like ang focus mo kasi new beginning eh. You're focusing on new beginning, nagte-take ng actions or paano magte-take dito ng actions sa mga new beginning na to. With the Queen of Coins and the Queen of Cups, this is you focusing on mga bagay na dapat mong pag-focusan pagdating sa iyong career. Yeah, I feel like ang emotion mo para sa kanya, you do love this person. Or kung hindi mo siya love, I can see that this is your favorite person. Parang paborito mo siyang kausap or maybe there's something here sa inyong dalawa na pwedeng special para sa'yo. And then, but, pagdating kasi sa new beginning, I don't know if this is new beginning pagdating sa love or new beginning pagdating sa bagay na ginagawa mo. Yeah, pwedeng mga bagay na ginagawa mo pagdating sa iyong career or money. Nakikita natin yung pagdadalawang isip mo dito sa bagay na ito, kung gagawin mo ba ito or kung anong dapat mong gawin dito sa new beginning na ito. But I can see you focusing on your new beginnings. Pagdating sa person mo with the Emperor, you're dealing with someone na laging nasa isip ka nitong person na to. And sobrang nasasaktan siya with the 5 cups. Hindi niya alam kung anong gagawin niya. Sobrang parang kailangan niyang kalimutan or kailangan niyang hindi maging honest sa emotion. Yeah, this person is pwedeng hindi siya nagiging honest sa emotions niya. Parang napipilitan siyang alam mo yan, itong person na to is really attracted sa'yo, and nakita tayo na pwedeng, most of the time, lagi kanyang iniisip na o-obsess siya sa'yo, but kailangan ay pigilan niya yung sarili niya regarding dito. Okay? And the 8 of Wands, this is showing to me as a family member. Yeah. Like, pwedeng may family member dito sa side ng person naman na nagiging dahilan kung bakit pwedeng dapat hindi siya, yun nga, pwedeng nagagalit or kaya siya natatakot. Pwedeng natatakot siya dito sa particular family member na ito na pwedeng magalit or nandiyan sa situation niya ngayon. And ayan. Pero lagi kang iniisip nitong person na to. So, what will happen in the future sa inyong dalawa? The Ace of Cups, the World, and the 9 of Swords. What's with the 9 of Swords? King of Swords. Clarify the King of Swords. Knight of Wands and the 4 of Coins. In the near future sa inyo dalawa na person na to. The Magician. The Hierophant, 2 of Cups. Clarify the 2 of Cups. King of Coins. Clarify the 2 of Cups and the King of Coins. 3 of Swords. Okay. If you're still single, nakakita tayo ng relationship or connection sa someone na malayo sa'yo in the future. Like, there's a new love. Maybe someone who is coming from a foreign land. Kung hindi man, basta someone na malayo sa'yo na kailangan pa mag-travel to see you. And don't worry, kailangan mo lang i-check yung dreams mo. And tingnan mo kung sino yung mga taong papakita sa dreams mo, because those are clues kung sino itong person na paparating sa'yo. And there's a potential of new love, new relationship dito. King of Swords, if you're already in a relationship, there's something na kailangan, or I feel like malapit nang mawala sa'yo, sa buhay mo. Kasi actually, ito lang yung nakakapagpapangit ng image mo eh. Itong person na to is like someone na either you need to cut off or you really want to cut off, or kailangan mong tanggalin or alisan. With the 4 of Coins, I feel like gusto mo man siya or you feel like importante. I mean, I can see like this is your, alam mo yung bata na parang ayaw mawalan ng candy or ng laruan, that kind of energy. So maybe you are like the child, tapos ito yung person mo is like the candy or something like maybe a toy sa buhay mo na parang hindi mo gustong mawala, because what if yung pwedeng nasa isip mo, what if nawala tong taong to, I don't know if this is love related, maybe a friend or something, na pwedeng iniisip mo na pag ito nawala itong taong to, what will happen. Pero nakikita natin mas magiging maayos ang buhay mo pag nawala itong taong ito sa buhay mo. And kasi kaya mawawala kasi magiging mas maayos kasi siya lang naman talaga yung nagbibigay ng problema sa'yo. Maybe there are times na pwedeng hindi mo alam, pero pwedeng may mga ginagawang hindi maganda itong person na to laban sa'yo. And that is not good. Okay? Meron siya mga ginagawa behind your back. And sabi ko nga, that could be a lover if you are in a relationship, or maybe a friend na pwedeng may mga sinasabi or ginagawa against you behind your back. The Magician, this is showing to me as a person in the near future. There's a possibility of a relationship or a connection sa iyo at itong person na to. This could be a person na, alam mo, marriage material, or this is the person who would, offer you something big, like maybe even marriage sa inyong dalawa. But I don't know why the Three of Swords is here. Pwedeng yung iba, pwedeng may third party situation na involved, or may other person, or you could be dealing with someone, or you will be dealing with someone who is already married, or ano mo yun, pwedeng may usaping legal. So pwedeng, or this could be you, some of you, pwedeng may marriage na involved sa inyo. But I can see na kahit ganun yung situation, pwedeng regardless, no, kung ikaw ay married na or in a relationship or single, there's a person na talagang gustong dumating sa buhay mo at paparating itong taong ito sa buhay mo to offer you the things na you deserve in life, no? Ipapakita or sasabihin niya ito sa'yo. Anyway, may plano tong person na to, and kaya siya may plano kasi importante siya para sa'yo, or importante ka para sa kanya. But I can see a lot of ending first bago mangyari ito. Maybe ending in a situation na pwedeng i-stuck ang isa sa inyo. So thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.